It's Bonnie. Happy Friday! I am back! Oh my goodness, so much to talk about. Number one, I'm just digging in. Bath & Body Works men's care sale today, $5.95. We're going to talk about this in the video, but also Black Friday mega deals are being released. Tess has them. I think I'm going to talk about those later tonight. I have to read through the list. Super exciting. Black Friday, 2 weeks from today. So I'll be talking about that. And then tomorrow, we're supposed to have the big body care day. And what I want to know, so I'm a little bit confused. Maybe someone knows the answer to this. So is the men's care going to be included tomorrow? Because it's $5.95 today, but if the creams are included tomorrow, with the men, you're going to want to hold off tomorrow and get them for $4.95. So I'm not really sure if the men's care is included. I should know later tonight when they release all of their promos for that. I'm going to do a huge body care day video later as soon as I get official word from Bath & Body Works exactly what's happening, because this is a huge weekend. So right now, the big sale is on the men's care, and this is definitely a stock up time. I need Lenny here. Oh my gosh. The shaving gel he loves. Oh my gosh. Like, I gotta get him some of that for Christmas. That's like his favorite thing. I'm like, oh my goodness. By the way, go to www.bonleo.com. I'll put the link below. Lenny and I have started a apparel company. We're so excited. We only have like 15 or 20 different designs, but there's more coming. I think we're going to add a few more tonight, but we are having so much fun designing these t-shirts. So definitely check that out. If you use the code Queen10, you get 10% off the store too. So, the men's care though, oh my goodness. I am really impressed, I gotta say, now that Lenny's tried it out and I've been like smelling everything. The shave cream, the beard oil, the shave gel. That's the thing that Lenny loved, was the shave gel, the beard and scruff cream. All of those products seem to be like really popular. The hair clay is like $14.95. Get that today for $4.95. Online, you need to use the code GIFT, and then you need the code, the email code in the store. But this is definitely a stock up event for Christmas. I got my tea. So my husband uses an electric razor. So he's like, no. None of this stuff is appealing. He doesn't use hair gel. He's very peculiar on what he uses. He loves the Lush shower gel, and then he actually uses the Cetaphil for his face. He's very like sensitive with the, what he washes his face with. So I can't even have him do like a review of any of this stuff. But I've heard the hydrating face cream is also good. So my husband also uses, he likes the bourbon. That's like his scent. He kind of likes this is his bourbon. I just grabbed it out of the bathroom. I'm borrowing your bourbon. He loves the bourbon, which is the white pepper, dark amber, and Kentucky oak. It smells good. I love this scent, and he likes it. Classic flannel. I'm sneaking the classic flannel in there. He used this last year, and he liked it. This is the fresh bergamot, patchouli spice, and sweet amber. I like this because it's a little bit of like a holiday vibe. Oops, did I unlock it? Yeah, you gotta unlock these. I like this. I actually almost think I like classic flannel right now better than bourbon. So I'm gonna sneak this in there and see if he'll wear the classic flannel for the holiday season. So those are really good. I also love Manhattan Nightcap. This is a good one. I highly recommend this one. It's the Black Santal, Sweet Brandy, and Cherry Wood. I don't know, there's just something about like the cherry wood. I have actually used the bar soap in this and I like it. I don't know, it just got a really nice, that woody, a little bit of like that cherry. I don't know, there's something about it I love. I also have a vintage here. Vintage is the blue lavender, fresh pepper, and vintage woods. This one's okay. What else do they have? Oh, the New Woodlands. I'm not a fan. I actually sent that home with Lenny. He liked it. That one, oh, I just got a 20% off any purchase offer. Now, I wonder if I can double up on these. I'm like, I might just do that. It's weird. Sometimes they let you and sometimes they don't. It's so strange. Let's see. Cool citrus, fresh sage, and Virginia cedar. I think it's the cool citrus and woodlands. I'm just not a fan. I don't know. That one didn't do anything for me. The shower gels are very nice in the men's care. What else do they have here? Do they have the cologne? Oh, the bar soap. Don't get the bar soap. Wait on the bar soap because that's going to be a lot less expensive, like for Black Friday. Let me see here. The Noir, the black tie, the daily face wash, the aftershave balm, exfoliating face wash. Oh yes, the mini colognes. See, I wish they would do this for the women. I wish the women had a bigger mini perfume than those like tiny skinny ones. They do this for the men. They're regularly $17.95, on sale for $5.95 today. Oh my gosh, these mini colognes, like that's like the biggest like stock up deal right now. Those are a great deal. Like, don't wait for any other sale. Get those mini colognes today. They have them in Woodlands. Let's see. Oh, coffee and whiskey. I love coffee and whiskey. That's a good one. Get coffee and whiskey. Let me see here. What else do they have? They don't have as much online as I thought they would. They only have 2 pages online, which I'm surprised. I would advise going into the store today. I think you're going to find more. Oh, deodorant. Get I'm talking too fast. Get the deodorant today. I got all excited when I saw deodorant. Okay. We need a women's deodorant really badly. I don't know if Bath & Body Works. Why do the men get a deodorant and we don't? The coffee and whiskey cologne mist. That was part of that like neutral collection. That's good though. Coffee and whiskey is wonderful. Then they have Whiskey Reserve in the mini cologne. And then, let's see, what other mini colognes do they have online? Oh, Leather and Brandy. That was part of the neutral collection. Oh, Graphite is in the mini cologne. Bourbon. I might have to get my husband a bourbon mini cologne for Christmas. He can't hear me. He's in the other room with the door shut. He doesn't get excited about this kind of stuff for Christmas either. You know, I'll get him like clothes and like body care stuff, and he's like, yeah. Give me an RC car. I can't win. Gig of Legend. That's the other one that a lot of people really like. So lots of choices. Again, I feel like this is like a really huge stock up event for men. If you're buying for Christmas, buy today. Don't wait. This is going to be a really low price, especially on the cologne, the deodorant, the men's facial products, the mist. Get all those today. So anyway, awesome shopping day for Christmas. I will be back later. We have so much to talk about. Body Care Day tomorrow. It's not Body Care Day, but it's a Body Care event. And then Black Friday. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.